Welcome to this sheet metal SolidWorks tutorial where we will be using the wend command, base flange and edge flange command to make this part. So let's begin. Click on file, select new, click on part and click OK because we are making a part file. Change the background to plain white, this is optional. Click on top plane, click on sketch. Here we would need to select a center rectangle. So select this center rectangle and make a rectangle at this origin. Now select smart dimensioning tool, set the dimension of this line at 100 millimeter and this line at 70 millimeter. And now we have to enable the sheet metal command. So right click here and in this tab make sure that sheet metal is enabled. So I'm disabling it, and now just to show you how to enable it. Now it's enabled. Go to sheet metal, select this base flange command, and here we have to specify the thickness. So I'm specifying here 3. Click OK. And now let's specify some appearance. In metal I would like to go to nickel, so here you can select any material you like. Alright, so now click on this edge flange command. This is our second command. We have used the base flange, so select this edge and make direction upward, then select all of these corners, and here we have to specify this dimension. So I'm specifying as 20 and click OK. Now again select the edge flange, guys, this one, give direction to outward, and then simply select all of these edges. And now specify the dimension. I am specifying here 15 and then click OK. And now it's time to use the wend command. For that we have to make a sketch. Select the surface, click on sketch and select a circle. Make circle at this origin. Now specify the dimensions. I'm specifying as 40. And now click on this offset entities, select this circle, click on this reverse option, and here specify 3 mm. So distance between the previous and the circle is 3. Again select this offset, click on this circle, select this reverse option, and now here you can see the arrow is inward. Click OK. Again do the same, reverse, and now the arrow would be inward. 3 mm. OK. And one last time, offset entities, select the circle, reverse, and I think this 3 mm is fine. Alright, so check this box. Now select this midline, select this circle and find these quadrants, click on it. Now again select midline, select this circle and find the quadrant, click on it, press escape button. Again you have to select the line command, click on this circumference. This time you will not find any quadrant. Again make a line here. So now select smart dimensioning tool. We only have to specify from this line to this line angle is 45 degree. 45 degree. Similarly we have to specify the angle between these two lines as 45 degree. So rest of the lines would automatically have 45 degree angle. Check this box. And now go to sheet metal, select this wend command. Here we have this boundary window. So in this boundary window select the outer circle, then scroll down. Here this is ribs window. We have to select all of these lines one by one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we have to specify the parameters for it. I mean the thickness, because this is too thick. 2.5 still much more thick. We have to make it smaller. 1.5, and I think this is fine. Scroll down, and in this bars window we need to select all of these circles except the last one. And here we have to specify the thickness. I think 1 mm is fine. And then scroll down, and here we have this fill window. Select the last circle and simply check this box, and here we have our part ready. So that's how we can use wend command to make this part like this. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.